Ava, you ready?
Yep.
Ava. There you go. You ready? Go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Good job, Buggy. You're so smart.
Look what Gavin found.
Yeah, guess he's gonna read some Lion King today.
We need to teach him how.
Yeah. Alright, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.